Buddington, home to great weed, quirky characters, and buildings that occasionally hide terrifying secrets behind their drywall.
Yeah, we've cleaned everything twice and the flower still keeps failing. Mold, mold, mold. It's like it's coming from nowhere.
They've done everything right, or so he thought. But when the tests keep failing and nobody can say why, it's time to call in a specialist. Let's take a quick detour. Aspergillus, it's not a wizard, it's a mold. A nasty one, the kind that shows up uninvited and ruins everything. If your lab detects living Aspergillus on a cannabis product, that batch is finito. You could try to remediate it or clean it up, but that takes time, resources, and generally reduces the quality of the product. Which means we're talking
Hit the deck!
Destroy the product, eat the cost, and kiss your weekend goodbye.
Science to the rescue!
Enter the root cause specialist, a cannabis detective, a mold hunter.
A master of the swab.
You call them when the lab says fail and you're out of ideas. Molds like Aspergillus are microscopic freeloaders, floaty, clingy, and always attracted to water damage and the like. Once they move in, it becomes very difficult to keep them out of the product, and the issue tends to get worse before it gets better. Many operators don't realize they have a large and persisting issue until it's too late.
Let's start with some of the problem areas.
This isn't just about wiping surfaces, it's about knowing where to look. Mold doesn't announce itself, it hides in the least convenient corners.
What could be causing all this?
We're not guessing, we're measuring and following the trail.
Spore count spike upper east wall. Oh, hello.
It's not the spore's fault. They're just opportunists. If we want to stop the fails, we need to get to the root cause of the issue, the persisting water damage in the facility.
That should almost be the last of it. Get all the gross stuff out.
Now we just need to put things back in order.
It's time to go, and all thanks to science.
Tracking the source of the contamination or other issue is key, and oftentimes you need an expert in the field to identify things that might otherwise go overlooked. In this story, it was water damage. However, we have seen pesticides, heavy metals, production kinks, and everything in between. When you have an issue, don't try to sweep it under the rug. Take the right steps to fix it. With the right help, it's easier than you think. Root cause analysis is how real problems are truly solved. It protects the crop, the capital, and the reputation of those who nurture this plant. And as the industry finds its footing, more and more cultivators arrive at it thoughtfully, by experience and by necessity.
For more mind-blowing info on cannabis, check out TeachingBud.